The world has recognized that Indonesia is the largest archipelago, which consists more than 17,000 islands with 81,000 kilometers coastline. Indonesia has about 5.8 million square meter ocean, or approximately 70% of the Indonesia's territorial. Unfortunately, this huge potential has not been able to demonstrate Indonesia as a strong maritime nation. The indications are, we still have not managed the potential of fisheries resources effectively, and one of the effects is overfishing that becomes a serious problem. Furthermore, climate change has also affected fisheries resources and fisheries industry. In fact, as a maritime country, Indonesia should be aware of the wealth of the country from the ocean resources, and we must manage it well. From these concerns, Mexma is established.
Mexma is a research group that concerns in exploration and management of fisheries and marine resources. This research group is established to answer the current global issue of fisheries and marine resources management through the multidisciplinary study including ecosystem dynamics, remote sensing, and biotechnology, especially in Indonesia. Our goals are: first, to be an outstanding research group that engages in the fisheries and maritime areas through the study of exploration and marine resources management globally. The second is to strengthen multidisciplinary studies related to marine resources exploration and management. The third is to share the Mexma research product, that publication and scientific conference. Fourth, to contribute Mexma expertises to solve the current fisheries issue. And the Mexma expertises are: the first, ecosystem-based fisheries management approach, and the second, remote sensing and GIS application in marine and fisheries studies. The third is oceanography, and the last is marine and climate change monitoring.
To reach our goals, this year, Mexma has been involving and participating in various activities, such as participate in the International Conference of Fisheries and Marine Resources held in Indonesia and abroad, participate in Expo on the 13th Annual National Scientific Meeting held by Association of Indonesian Oceanography Scholars. We also promote our research group by collaborating with government institutions such as the Indonesian Space and Aeronautics Institute, the Indonesian Institute of Science, and of course, Ministry of Marine and Fisheries Affairs.
Oceanography is one Mexma focused research to identify ocean characteristics and dynamic of marine ecosystems. This activity includes physical, chemical, and biological study of the ocean. There are many methods to obtain oceanographic data by field sampling and laboratory analysis. In the field sampling, we can measure seawater quality parameters such as temperature, salinity, conductivity, depth, chlorophyll A, pH, and dissolved oxygen. By using aqua quality sensor in the laboratory, we can analyze chemical substances dissolved in the ocean by using such as atomic absorption spectroscopy.
The application of remote sensing and geographical information system for marine resources mapping. These powerful tools are applied to identify and to map oceanographic parameters which can be used for mapping the potential of fish habitats and to predict fish migration. Sea surface temperature, sea surface chlorophyll, and sea surface height are the oceanographic parameters that can be used for mapping the suitability habitat of pelagic fish. We produce a potential fishing ground map from the analysis of both satellite imagery and fish catch data from fishing operations. This can be used as one of important information for fishermen in determining fishing grounds for effectiveness of fishing operations. Moreover, the application of geospatial analysis also applies to map the suitability area for marine aquaculture and for the marine protected area mapping.
We use biotechnology to evaluate population structure or stock of marine resource, and by using this information, we suggest management strategies for that resource. This including estimation of maximum sustainable yield and allowable fisheries catch production.
Finally, all of our activities and research that have been done are for specific goal, yes, and of course, to ensure the sustainability of marine and fisheries resource for our next generation while securing the fishermen's livelihood.
If you care about the ocean and marine resources, come and join us. Mexma, let's do it together!